Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. If it's your first time on my channel, welcome. My name is Anne, and if you have been here already, welcome back. First of all, I want to say I hope you all had an amazing Christmas, and for those who don't celebrate, I hope you had an incredible weekend. Today I'm going to show you a New Year's Eve inspired eye look, which you can actually wear for any special occasion you want to wear it for, or you can wear it for work, for just any occasion you want to wear it for, basically. So the first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids, which I always do before applying eyeshadow, and I use the NYX Cosmetics paint pots. Now I'm gonna take the Boudoir Noir, I don't know how you pronounce this, but this is a palette from Colourpop, and I love Colourpop eyeshadows. I just love the looks that I always make with their palettes. They always have palettes that contain one pressed glitter, and it's always so pretty. So I was really excited to create this makeup look. So I started with this light yellowy mustardy color, and I started blending this in the crease area. Today's eye look is actually not that complicated. I wanted to do kind of like a easy eye look that you all can recreate. Of course, if you don't have the exact same eyeshadows that I'm using, you can use some similar eyeshadows that you have at home. I'm just going back and forth with my brush, blending this all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner to make sure that this shade is really there, to make sure that there's as much pigment as possible. And then I also blended a little bit in the outer V area, kind of making a round shape. Because I'm not going for any eyeliner today, I didn't want it to go for a wing liner, so I'm also making sure that I blend some of that eyeshadow around the outer end of my eyelid. This way the eye look is gonna get kind of like a round shape, which I really love, and this is also really nice for people with hooded eyes. So now I'm going in with this golden shade, which is called Sleep In. Super pigmented, as you can see. I only needed a little bit and it covered my whole eyelid, which is nice. So I just used my finger to apply this all over the eyelids. This is going to be a base for the pressed glitter that I am going to apply after applying this shade. So I'm going in with the shade Bedtime Story, and I'm going to press this straight on top of that shimmery color. The reason why I love using shimmery eye colors underneath glitters is because there's always going to be kind of some space in between the glitters. So if you use a similar color, so in this case I used golden glitter, so I used a golden shimmer, you're kind of going to see the shimmer in between the glitters, and this is just kind of going to make the glitter and the eyeshadow just blend really beautiful together. It's just gonna look so much better. You guys have to trust me on this. It's so much more prettier. Instead, if you would use only pressed glitter with nothing underneath, it's gonna look totally different. So definitely try using shimmery eyeshadow underneath pressed glitter to get the most beautiful finish. So now I use this kind of greenish color, such a beautiful shade. I used it for underneath the lower lash line. I actually wanted to use a different color for underneath the lower lash line to kind of give this eye look a twist, because I have done plenty of golden glitter eye looks. So to kind of make it different than my other videos, I used that green. Now I'm popping this shade in the inner corner, which is kind of like a light golden shade, super pretty. And now I'm curling my lashes because it's time for fake lashes. If you recreate this makeup look and you don't like wearing fake lashes, of course you can skip this step. I'm taking this mascara from Be Creative, which is the Never Ending mascara. Super nice. I have been using it now a few times, and it makes my lower lashes super long, which I really like. Like I said, I am going in with fake lashes, so I'm not super focused on how my upper lashes look, because I'm going in with fake lashes, so you won't be able to see them anymore. But now first I used a little bit of pencil in the waterline, and this one is by NYX Cosmetics in the color Glitzy Gold. I actually forgot to use something in the waterline, so normally I would do this earlier, but yeah, better late than never. And then this is the end result. I applied my lashes off camera. I will make sure to put a link in the description bar where I show you guys the best ways on how to apply fake lashes. And then this is the end result. I really hope you all like how it turned out. Let me know how your Christmas was. What did you guys do? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel, and I really appreciate it. And hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!